Okay, so on your packet, the solve, by substitution systems, we're gonna look at equation A. Number two, problem A, is the top equation written in slope-intercept form?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Is the bottom equation written in slope-intercept form?
No.
No. Why am I sad?
Because it's not written in the soap.
What, right, it's not written in slope-intercept form, so what does that mean?
You gotta make it something.
We had to make it into slope-intercept form, so we're going to convert to y equals mx plus b form. Write down your bottom equation. Find your equal sign and dot it. To be in y equals slope-intercept form, does the x belong on the left side?
Hmm?
Does the x term belong on the left side?
No.
No, it doesn't belong on the left side, so we're gonna have to move it to the right side. So how am I gonna get rid of it on the left side, everybody?
Divide everything by 2.
Now, I heard divide everything by 2, but are we trying to rip the 2 off, or are we trying to get rid of the 2 x's? Are we trying
Oh, I
to
thought
get
you
rid of
said
the
Y.
2
Oh.
or the 2x?
Two
Since we're trying to get rid of the 2 x's, cause none of the x's belong on the left side, none of them. All of the x's belong on the right side, so I gotta get rid of the 2 x's. So, I'm gonna do it by doing the opposite. Since I'm getting rid of the term on the right side, it's gonna move over to, or left side, it's gonna move over to the right side. Circle your like terms and combine. Bring down your negative y. Can I combine these terms?
No.
Why?
Because they're not like terms.
They're not like terms. One has an x, one doesn't. So I'm gonna write them side by side. Now, does the y belong on the left side of the equation?
Yes.
Yes, yay. Does the y belong with it? Or the negative belong with it?
No.
No, because to be into y equals slope-intercept form, that y has to be positive. It can't have a negative holding on to it. So how am I gonna rip the negative off of the y?
Divide everything
Divide.
by negative 1.
Guys, we want to leave the y here, so we have to divide the whatever off of it. Here, when we're trying to get rid of the 2 x's, you have to do the opposite. Here, we're tearing the negative off of the y because we want to leave the y on this side. And as you guys said, divide everything by negative 1. Negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2. Make sure you bring the x with it. Negative 10 divided by negative 1 is positive 10. Once we have our equations written in slope-intercept form, now we need to find out, are they one solution, no solution, or all solutions? Are the slopes the same? So that means that it either has to be one solution or all solutions. Do they have the same y-intercept?
Mm-hmm.
So all solutions. Or infinitely many solutions. They will always be equal. Go ahead, Audrey.